You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. There's way more to learn here. Guinevere. Guinevere. That's how to say it in British English. Stress on the first syllable. Guinevere. Now, in American English, it's normally said as Guinevere. Guinevere. Easy. Guinevere or Guinevere. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. It helps me a lot. Thanks. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Thanks for. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.